Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Michael Toll here with the Forex Daily Breakdown. Excuse my voice, it's 6:15 in the morning. I haven't been to sleep yet. I've been editing videos all night and also trading, but just wanted to give another update here on the US yen that we got into over here on February 16th. We were up at the time. We were up on the daily, on the 4 hour. We'll just kind of move all that stuff out of the way. That red candle that's up at the setup. I just finished editing also my first like 2 hour video. It's from a training I did before for a group of people that I'll be posting later today. But just got finished with that. But at the time, we were up at the setup on the 4 hour. We were up on the daily, on the 60 minute. We were also up with the setup. This dotted line here represents my first entry that I got on the down with the setup. Or I'm sorry, up with the setup. It's late. I haven't been to sleep yet. Rode that initially for like what 110 pips. That was before the weekend. Dropped back down to pretty much entry. That line right there represents my second entry I took on it when it came back to close to my original entry. So I took my second position. Kind of hung out in this sideways pattern. Started to take off today again though. Been up as high as from original entry 84 pips, but with two positions. So I was sitting at like 147, I think, at one point. I think I posted a quick little short to also talk about this trade as well. But some of the other things that have been going on this. You see here this drop-based drop. We got a boring candle in white space. That's going to make sense when y'all watch the 2 hour training today because I've been talking about some of these terms and you're finally going to understand it. I marked this box out to show that price came right into that box and it turned it back down. Would it go back down like almost 40 pips? You know, from this steady uptrend, broke the uptrend, but we didn't get an anchor break below our anchors, so that's a good thing. That was a good sign. But so I just wanted to point that box out. That was a reason why price turned around. I'm gonna get rid of it now. But when that had happened, it sent price back in the other direction. I'm gonna show it on the 60 minute because in real time it looked like that. Red action candle, green anchor, not engulf, lows in control, white space, boring candles. You see a little bit better on the 30 minute. This wick on wick overlap, if we break it down to a 5 minute, so I covered that box and then that white space too. It first kind of came in there and had a little bit of pop, and then it came all the way back down here. I really wanted to get this entry on it all the way down here because I would have been like 1 pip risk on it. But I was finishing editing that 2 hour video, so I kind of hung out and waited. I just took another entry for my third entry right here at this 13457 area. Pretty much just based on up with the setup, and it was in that area. It was touching white space. I felt like it was going to be a good area to turn it back around, and it has done so. Let's see, we're up 70 pips in first, 71 pips, 63 pips, and 15 pips. Looking for a close above here. That'll close above here on all these time frames and keep moving up towards our target up here, which is at the top of this daily wall. Which is now 176 pips away, but times 3 positions. So what's the math on that? Let's see, 176 times 3, that's 528 pips, plus the roughly 70, 60, 80, so that's like 600, 700 pip. I'm sorry, like I said, it's like 6:20 in the morning. I haven't slept, but that's going to be like 620 pips on this trade when it hits the profit target. I'm going to move all my stops to right below here, so I'm going to lock. Any way you look at it, I'll get out of this trade for a profit. I have 3 positions running on it. If it turns back around, it'll stop me out. I'll still make money on it. That's the cool thing about add-ons. Add-ons give you a reason to add on to your position, but I've got my stop losses, like I've had them way away. I'm actually going to go ahead and move them up right now while we're just here. Yeah, go ahead and move my stop losses. That way I'm just locking in profit. If it ends up turning back around, oh well. You know, hey, and it could end up being a really nice trade if it gets to the target, but if not, it turns around. I've got an add-on it, so if it keeps going, that's just like another 150 bucks I'll make on the trade. But if it turns back around, like I said, I'll still make money. So this is a live trade. I've been talking about this trade for like 3-4 days now. It's been up 100 pips on one position. Now it's on. I have three positions on it. You know, up 150 pips or so. Or what's the math on that? Yeah, 121. Yeah, like 130, 140 pips on that right now. Going for like 650 pips. So again, you can see how the multiplication can really add up when you do the add-ons. And like I said, in the system with the lessons I'm going to be releasing, there's rules for the add-ons like that you follow each and every time, like an exact set of rules to follow. So you don't just kind of shoot from the hip. But yeah, I just want to show y'all more real trading, live trading. This is real money. This isn't fake money. I'm not just talking about stuff, but I've spent a lot of time learning this stuff, and I'm here to help, here to teach y'all. You know, please help by sharing, liking, subscribing. You know, I'm trying to grow this channel as much as I can for my own reasons, but one, it helps y'all. Two, it helps me. And we all win. So yeah, stay tuned for more on this trade, and let's hope that we get to that target on the daily, right around 136.499. I'm gonna move this one down just a tad. I like it under the 50. That's a whole nother thing. Quarters and 50s and whole numbers, that's a whole other style of trading we'll get into at some point. I don't really pay attention to a lot of that stuff, but it is important to be aware of. But yeah, till then, happy trading. This is the Forex daily breakdown, and again, sorry about my voice. It's 6:22. I was up till this time yesterday and probably only running on like 5 hours of sleep. I've been editing videos all day, so yeah, happy trading. Move your stop along if you're in this trade. Add on if you get a break above, if you get a close above here on the 30-minute, you could add on again, and then just move your stop alongside there with everything. And yeah, until the next installment, trade smart. I'm gonna get some sleep here in a little bit. And like I said, look out later on today because I will be posting the first of a series of multiple hour videos and teaching you how to do this whole system. Sorry, I'm just not talking all that great right now. I'm super tired. But till next time, talk to y'all soon. Peace.